What's up, people? It's Pip Magnet here, back again. We back again with the last episode. So this is the last episode. The reason why I say that is because our take profit has been hit. As you can see, our TP was hit down there. So the daily chart. This is where our TP was from previous video. Right there, this low. This is where we're targeting, and as you can see, the market did hit it and it reversed right there at that low. You can see closely, the market did hit the low where we would put our take profit right here, over there, and now the market retraced. So yeah, guys, basically this is where we were. Our entry was somewhere around here. Our first entry was somewhere around here. Second entry was around here. I had trailed the stop losses, but then when I saw the market reversing, because I did mention on other videos that the market is it's either it's going straight to the downside or it's going to come back to this point where I drew this rectangle over here. As you can see, this point over here. So the market did come back to this point over here and it retested it. So when I saw the market coming up, I did remove the stop loss for the second position, and I adjusted it a little bit higher. And yeah, the market did then follow the rules. It came back down to the downside, and it came back and it did a retest. It came back up to retest over here. Then you had the M formation, as you can see. Then it shot to the downside, breaking this previous low, and now it's actually back on this previous low, retesting it, if you can see. As you can see. So yeah, guys, the trade did go well. We did our take profit. As you can see, I did enter 2 more positions, but I don't know why I just kind of zoned out that part. I didn't really think of recording because I was really busy with a lot of things. But actually, this is how we're looking. This is how the
Hi. Okay.
trade ended up playing out. As you can see, we took the sell from around about this point. We did take a sell around about this point, and we did our take profit right there. So yeah, guys, it's okay. I can't say it is simple. Trading is simple when you keep it simple.
Nice.
The moment you start complicating things, that's the moment things start actually becoming more difficult, you see. So yeah, I did say I will make more videos on things like fair value gaps and things like order blocks. I will make videos on stuff like that, so you guys can actually have more of an understanding of how the market works. But yeah, hopefully from this series you've learned how the market works with market bias, lows, lower highs, higher lows, trends. I hope you've learned something, because actually in this series I have shown you guys how trends work, retest points like support, resistance. I have shown you guys how that stuff works if you're paying attention. But yeah, if you didn't learn something, then I just advise you go back from episode 1 and start watching the videos, episode 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally this one, and then you actually see how this trade unfolded from where we entered, from our first position, second position, third position. I didn't actually record the time when I entered the third position, but yeah, we did hit our take profit. As you can see there, where that red line is, that's where our take profit was. And yeah, we did have a very good risk to reward ratio on this trade. And as you can see, now it is reversing, but at this point we can't really say it's a full reversal to the upside, like a trend change. This could just be a retracement to this point over here where there's an order block right there. As you can see where I marked, that's an order block there where I marked there. So we want to see what the market does when it reaches that point. And yeah, if it shows any bearish bias, I take another trade. But yeah, at this point, I already hit my targets that I had from the first time I entered this trade. So I'll just keep watching it and see maybe if there is opportunities for a trade. But yeah, I am still working on that Telegram channel, guys. Once the Telegram channel is up, I'll be giving you guys signals, and you'll be getting free signals. So just stay tuned for the Telegram channel. If I don't manage to get the Telegram channel sooner, then maybe I'm gonna make a WhatsApp channel as well, and then I'll just put the WhatsApp number in the description so you guys can then contact that number to be added into the group. So yeah, I am still working on those things for you guys, because our previous channel, like I said, we ended up having to just close it down because a lot of things happened with the number got lost and all that stuff. So yeah, we're banning that one, so we're gonna have to open a brand new one, and everyone can just migrate to that one. So yeah, guys, this is how the trade went. Trade went well. So you can see, let me just so as we're coming down, we broke this point over here. The market came to retest that point there, weakening out a lot of people here, as you can see. Then after that, the market shot down to the downside, made a small retracement here, making higher highs and higher lows, just tricking people. And as it came back to this point, it made a proper double top formation, information. And after the double top formation, you see the market shot straight to the bottom, straight all the way to the bottom to our take profit. And then now, as you can see, it's retracing. So the market is most likely to come to this point and then shoot to the downside and break this low. Or what it could do is the market could come to that point and break it, then come back, retest it, and then go to the upside. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep monitoring it, checking how it goes. And then yeah, for those people who are going to join the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel, we're going to be giving out these signals like this, where you get a lot of pips, because this is the Pip Magnet. That's what we do. We get pips, guys. We get these pips, we collect them. So yeah, you guys gotta stay tuned for that Telegram channel. I will definitely put the link in all the descriptions for all the videos. So as soon as that Telegram channel is up and running, I'm gonna put the link in all the videos, so you guys it's gonna be easy access for you guys to join. You just press the link, you join the link, and then yeah. But hopefully you guys learn something. That's the only reason why I'm making these videos, so you guys can learn something from it. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. If you did, I'm very happy that you learned something, and yeah, I'm very happy that you guys actually watched and made it this far. If you made it this far, you're part of the Pip Magnet. You're one of us, and definitely if you made it this far, you are definitely going to enhance your trading. And yeah, as soon as I have the Telegram channel running, all the people that made it this far, definitely I need you to join it, because I'm going to be giving free signals, at least 2 free signals every day. And it's going to be signals like this. Some of them are going to be swings, some of them are going to be scalping, but yeah, we'll just make things happen. And people, obviously, you're going to be getting out of there with profits and sometimes losses, because yeah, trading, that's how it is. We don't always win. Sometimes there's losses. But I can just say our strategies are 98% effective. That 2% is just a room for those losses that sometimes happen, because sometimes you can see a pattern or read the market and then it just goes its own way. That happens a lot of times. So, but yeah, we don't let that scare us. We keep coming back. But anyway, guys, main purpose of this video, take profit hit. And yeah, I'm really hoping that you guys learn something from this. But yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy a series like videos like this, where it's like a series, episode 1, episode 2. And if you do, I will try and make more for you guys, and hopefully it's teaching you guys something about the market and how it moves. And yeah, I will make another one. If I see comments of people saying they want more videos like this, I will make another one. Just let me know what kind of pair do you want me to do. You want me to do crash? Do you want me to do boom? Do you want me to do, V75? What is it? V10, V25? Any of them? We can try hop onto that and see how that goes. But anyway, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And peace.